Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am very excited to share with you guys the final form of the Spirit Dragon. After 10 years, finally I come up with this version, and I am so excited and so happy to share with you guys how it's look, and I will show you guys what's the difference between this version and the original version. So let me put the new version down and show you the original version of the plant. So the original version of the plants look very cool, right? It's look very aerodynamic, but there's an issue with the wings here. We have 1, 2, 3 layers. That is what I want to solve for years, and finally I come up with this version. Let me put the paper airplane down so you can see the difference too. So when I put the paper airplane down, you can see on the Spirit Dragon, there's 2 parts of the plants pop out, and you have the center of the plants like this. This is just normal for any paper airplanes, but the ultimate version of the Spirit Dragon. So when I put it out, you see it just stay intact. I can feel that this is a very long distance plan. I don't have a chance to test it yet, but I will test this in a couple of days and share with you guys the test flight. But so far I'm so excited to share with you guys the new version of the Spirit Dragon. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.